Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the frequently asked questions in the Widgetsmith application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the help button at the bottom of the page. And here you can see at the contact and help section, just click on the frequently asked questions button. And here you will see all the sections and like parts of the application that you can get help. So just click on the one that you're interested in, and it will have like a short description and the short answer of that question. So if you still were unable to find what you're looking for, then you can just email them. At the end of the page you can see the email address, and then just get help from that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.